Hi everyone, Marcelo Franco here. Today I'm gonna show you how you can get started making extra income online even if you are starting completely from scratch. And no worries, you won't need to sell or invest anything. This is something totally different from what you are used to seeing out there. In this video, you learn everything about the AI evaluation market, where you can earn an extra income online by helping train artificial intelligence for companies such as Google, Meta, and Microsoft. All that in your free time and without knowing how to write a single line of code. And I know it seems too good to be true, right? So let me show you how it works. Firstly, we have the tech companies such as Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, Meta, YouTube, and so on. They need a huge amount of high quality data to feed their AI models. As you see there on the news, right? You see Gemini, Perplexity, ChatGPT, Grok, and so on, right? All these AI models need a lot of data to be trained so they can keep improving version after version. But who provide this data? The technology companies partner with AI data solution companies to provide this large amount of high quality data through a workforce of humans, because for AI to evolve, it needs human feedback on a step called learning reinforcement from human feedback. Behind every AI, every version you see evolving almost week after week, there are humans behind working to improve these AI models that will give outputs for humans to use, right? So, the best cost benefit way these AI data solution companies found to provide this data were through a methodology called crowdsourcing, which consists of delegating simple tasks to a global and diverse community of people. So they provide this data, this high quality data, labeled and assessed and filtered through this human workforce, which are called AI evaluators. They are common people like you and me who are just looking for making an extra income online. So they evaluate these tasks, training AI, and are paid. Okay? So to sum it up, how it works is basically like this. Behind every AI, there are three main characters. The tech companies that needs this huge amount of high quality data, that partner, that hire these AI data solution companies, right? But to provide all this huge amount of data, of diverse data to these tech companies, they need a global workforce of AI evaluators to feed these models of their clients. Okay, so this is how this market works. And I know that perhaps it's too much information, but let's dive into it step by step. Okay, the next step is to understand what do an AI evaluator do in practice, right? So after you pass through a selection process in the AI data solution company selected, you will access an online platform, which they call crowdsourcing platform, okay? Which can be Rater Hub, EWQ, Try Rating. It depends of the project you'll be working for and the company. So you'll be basically accessing these platforms every day to evaluate the tasks and get paid for it. And what are common tasks you'll be facing as an AI evaluator? If you choose to become an AI evaluator, of course, you'll be annotating image and texts, search quality assessments, AI generated responses, content moderation, and so on. And of course, I cannot show you here inside all these platforms, these common tasks, but if you want to follow us on Instagram, over there, I can show you better how it works inside these platforms. Actually, I have created already some videos that show some tasks on Rater Hub and on EWOQ. All right? But Marcelo, what do I need to become an AI evaluator? First things first is having at least a laptop or computer and or a mobile, right? You need it to access the tasks, as well as a stable internet connection. If you meet that, we have also the skills, which you should have a reading comprehension in English, because the tasks will be in your local language, yes, but all the communication and the instructions of the tasks and the learning materials will be in English. So it's very important you at least have a reading comprehension. Okay? Attention to detail to follow the pre-established guidelines you receive to perform the tasks, and having critical thinking so you can use your best judgment always when it's needed. All right? And of course, time available. You need at least 10 hours per week to do this job. Of course, it's flexible, but you must deliver it in a week. Depending on the project, there are projects you can work only 5 hours, right? But if you are looking to make an extra income online, you must know you need time to deliver the needed amount of hours, okay? Because this is like any other job. You work your hours and you get paid, okay? And what you don't need, because a lot of people think, okay, Marcelo, I don't know how to code. Follow us on Instagram and you see a task in practice, and you see there's no need to know how to code or to be from a tech background, okay? You don't need to be graduated. You don't need a college degree. You don't need perfect English skills. As you can see, my English is not the perfect one. Of course, I can speak, but when I started on it 7 years ago, I barely knew the to be verb, okay? You don't need prior experience. And remember, you are not building AI, you will be evaluating it using your human feedback based on given instructions, okay? So, going to the most awaited part, right? Which is how much do they earn? How much AI evaluators earn? As I said before, you'll be paid per hour worked. So you enter in the platforms, you rate the task, and with the amount of tasks you complete, it will achieve an hour and you get paid by this worked hour. So the pay rate will vary according to your country, according to the project, the end client, the AI data solution company as well. But normally it ranges from $6 to $25 per hour. And if you want to know how much you can earn in your country for a project that I will show at the end of the video, stay here with me because I'm gonna show you how you can check it by yourself. Alright? The payments are sent via direct transfer through PayPal or Payoneer, so you don't need to have an international bank account. No need to worry about that. And just to show you here that this is something real, these are some of my earnings. This one, and I was working in Portugal when I was living there last year. There's here from a company, and this is the company I'm going to show you today at the end of the video. So stay here with me. Here a payment which I received from PayPal. You can see here PayPal, and after I sent to Wise, which was the bank I was using there in Europe. Then these other payments here from Payoneer, you can see for $195, almost $350 I received using Payoneer, okay? And this is one of the companies as well, the AI data solution companies Appen, which is not called Appen anymore. And if you want a video just about this company, if you perhaps already heard about it, let me know here in the comments and I will be happy to bring more information about this company to you, okay? As you could see, this is an opportunity you can make an extra or even main source of income. However, I would like to align with you. You can't get rich with this type of job because you'll be working hours and getting paid with that. And just like any other job, you must go through a selection process. So you won't get started on it overnight either. It is for anyone looking to make an extra income online. What? What do you mean, Marcelo? You said, yes, everyone that is aware you won't get rich with that. You must go through a process like any other thing in life. So you'll be working your hours, making an extra income, and that's it. It can be a relevant source of income, of course, but it's not something that you can make a career on. So it's for university students in need of an extra income to pay their bills, keep studying, full-time workers, stay-at-home parents, and even unemployed people. But here I should warn that, as you saw, like if you need a job right now, like urgent, I wouldn't recommend just putting all your efforts in this selection process for the AI evaluation market. I would recommend to, okay, go keep searching for an on-site job or another remote job in your field of study, and at the same time doing these processes here, okay, for the AI evaluation market, because I don't recommend to rely only on this job because you'll be a freelancer and the job is on demand. It's risky to put all your hope on this one, right? But it's for unemployed people also. And as an attention I put here, it's a freelancer role. So you shouldn't depend only on it. It is first come, first served basis, so it varies according to demand of Google, Amazon, or whatever is the end company in need of the data, and you cannot build a career on this, right? So it's a side income to help you reach your bigger goals. All right. So my recommendation is keep studying, keep developing yourself, and use this as the stepping stone that takes you to the next level, just like I did. So my conclusion is these remote AI jobs are perfect for people who have some free time or want to combine it with their main activities to earn an extra income. Sometimes it's possible to make it your main income, but in most cases, when you are working on multiple projects. And even though it's freelance, demand can vary, so it's risky to rely on it 100%. Then, if you are a person that is starting out or need a little extra income to invest, travel, or handle monthly expenses, this can be the perfect first step. Because, like I said, it was the same for me 7 years ago when I found out about this job market when I was still an university student. And as a bonus here, I will show you how you can get started. And the first step is knowing where to apply because there are a lot of AI data solution companies out there. There are some scam and untrustworthy companies that you should be aware. You shouldn't be sending your data because a lot of companies during the selection process they ask your personal data. So this is the first step. And the good news is I'm here showing you in this video one of the best companies in my opinion. It was the company I showed you the screenshot some minutes ago, and it's called Telus Digital. Telus Digital is a Canadian company which is in this AI evaluation market. They have a lot of services as you can see here, but the main one to help develop AIs using the data and AI solutions here, which you can see they are in all these steps in data collection, data annotation, data validation, data for generative AI, you know. So they are a very reliant company working with the biggest tech companies in the world as Google, Microsoft here. We have giants such as Pepsi, Samsung, and they have all the information here in their website. But Marcelo, where can I see the project you told me at the beginning of the video? Because this is their official website, right? They are huge. They have a lot of services, so you can get lost. So to help you, let me show here. You go on careers, but you don't want to work with them for any position, on-site position or something like this. No. If you want, you can come here also and check if there is something for you. But what I want to present to you here today is about the AI community. Do you remember the AI workforce I told you about, the AI evaluators? They are in this tab here. So you just come here and put your country. Let's put here, for example, United States. United States, and we click on this button here, search, and you get all the AI evaluation projects available in the United States. You see here there are tons of projects. But Marcel, I'm not from the United States. Okay, so let's perhaps see in Colombia. Okay, do we have vacancies? Okay, you have just one. All right. So you just come here, type your country, and you can see the project you can apply for. Of course, it's not as simple as that. There are some details you must know before applying, such as your CV should be in the correct format. It has a screening stage, so you must fill out your application form in the correct way. There are the language assessments. There are other steps. And if you want to know more information about it, let me know also in the comments so I can come here again and bring more valuable content for you to help you get this extra income online on a legit and trustworthy work market. Okay, so moving forward here, how we can find the pay rate in Colombia. So we just come here in apply now. We would have to create an account afterwards to apply, but right here we can see already. Okay, we can see here it has a flexible schedule, but as I told you, you should deliver at least 10 hours per week. Right? It says a little bit about the role of an internet domain assessor, and it pays $8 per hour in Colombia. So it's in that range I told you about, from 6 to 25. Probably in your country it will be something like this, okay? If it's not, let me know here in the comments also. I will be happy to see how much they are paying in your country, okay? And of course, there are a lot of other projects, other companies, and you can be my guest, try to apply. And if you have any doubts also and want other videos, just let me know in the comments. Okay, then that's it for today. If you found this content useful, just make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel because I will be posting here weekly. And if you want to know more things about the steps of the process or this company itself, how everything works in more detail, let me know here in the comments and I can have a better direction of what you guys want and help you in the best possible way. So we keep in touch. Bye bye.